It's a dull and dreary day today, but we need to get this done and it's pretty much at the end now. I'm just going to tell you what we've had to do recently, which don't really feel I need to tell you about. So still missing a door card, so I've had to put this Arbath one on for the meantime. It's awful looking, but it will just do the job for what I need to do today. But I'm hopefully going to collect a couple of new ones later in the week, so that is that. Otherwise the interior is pretty much good to go. The hub and everything is back on. As you can see from here, the wheel is pointing slightly out, and when you go to this side, it's pretty much straight. In fact, you can't even see it. So today we are going to get a wheel alignment done to bring that back in, probably because it's had the new lower arm, so we need to get that back in line. We also need to get 2 new rear tyres because these are cracking. They're cracking on the inside here, and they're not great on the outside, so it needs 2 new rear tyres. Did plan to have an MOT done today. Don't think that's going to happen. Let's just get these done and dusted, and we'll sort out the MOT when it's good to go. But I just probably need to run through, just make sure that it's all okay, then we can put it in, and then I think we're good to go. The only other thing I've got to do, actually, which I noticed the other day, and partly because it's so low down you don't realise it, right here is a dink. Rather than take the whole bumper off, I think I'm going to probably drill a little hole in here, warm it up with a heat gun, and then just pull it. So that's what I'm going to do there, and then yeah, hopefully that will look a lot better this afternoon when I come back. So let's get off and get the wheel alignment done. They're doing a deal where if you buy 2 tyres you get pretty much the wheel alignment done for next to nothing. So yeah, let's go and get this done. Okay, so we are back with our alignment. Yeah, you can see here obviously that if we look, we were out by 11 and well plus 2 on that. They brought it back to pretty much dead on, so that's not too bad. And yeah, and then I don't know if they seem to have measured the rears, but not too worried about that. They did say, I'm pretty sure, that they really couldn't work on the rears anyway, but 2.8 isn't too bad. So yeah, so we've got it back as a safe, so an overall of 9.3, and then we've got it near on. So that is the tracking done. The new tyres are on the rear, and yeah, we've just got to get it MOT'd. I'm going to get it MOT'd, find an MOT station that can do it relatively quick, and then, as I say, it's just this door card here which we need to sort out and get a replacement for. Then she needs a good scrub, good clean, because I've just noticed things like this down here, a little mark here, and then yeah, we'll be good to go, and hopefully she'll be going to a new owner. She drives really nicely, actually, really nice for 92,000. Yeah, I've just driven her for about 5 or 6 miles, and yeah, she clutch is good and everything like that. So okay, on to the next thing. Right, it's time to get the car MOT'd. Tyres are done, so let's get this MOT'd, and we are one step closer to getting it done and dusted. We are back, and we have a pass. We have 2 advisories. So, windscreen damage and road wheel slightly distorted. So the damage to the windscreen is that there, which is on the passenger side, which from here you can barely see anything. Yeah, it is what it is. And the distortion in the alloy, hadn't really noticed that, but yeah, so it is what it is, but it's still a pass, so that's the main thing. And yeah, we just need to clean it up, need to get those door cards on, which hopefully I'm picking up this weekend, and then we'll be all good to go, and this can finally head off, and that'll be another one out the way. But yeah, it's one, at least it's nothing major, so that's the main thing. Right, one final major job to do, which is to get these door cards off and replace them. I think, actually, hold your horses a minute. Might not need to actually take this one off, because I think, it sounds stupid, I've purchased some from good friend Chris Fisher. Actually, no, I take that back. These are a different colour, they're grey. Chris Fisher, who's provided me with some door cards, so we're going to take these off, get the new ones on, and that'll be pretty much the end of this project. So going to do that now. There's a couple of bolts behind here, one bolt behind here, and then literally just easing it off from the tabs. So yeah. Right, that's door card 1 done. Might not be able to get the second door card done because another neighbour stopped me to have a good old chat and slightly held me up on sorting out this second one. So yeah, I'll come back to you on that one, I think. Okay, driver's door card is on. Just needs a bit of clearing up. So that's both door cards on. The centre hubcaps are on. So now all I've got to do is give it a good clean and then it can go up for sale. So for white you don't have to worry too much. We'll just iron exit and then yeah, because it hasn't actually had that many parts, has it? It's just had a wing. So let's get this cleaned and then it can go up and ready for sale. In an ideal world, I wish the weather was better, but the Devil Breath Iron X is on, the Fallout. But yeah, the weather's not looking good and it says it's going to rain any minute, so I just wanted to get this on first, and if it rains then at least it potentially washes it off. But yeah, it's quite bad actually. Look at that, that's pretty bad. So that's only just part of the car. And then on the boot, yeah, right, let's get on with this because I am going to end up getting totally soaked, and I got soaked the other evening on the way home from, or the way to my car from work, and yeah, it's not nice at all. Too late. It is now, well, it's not heavily raining, but it is raining, and yeah, I could wash it in this, but this is just not nice. So hopefully that rain has washed off the Iron X, but and we can go back to washing this in a minute. So yeah, a bit of a waiting game now. Okay, so this brings the end to the video and the end to Hotel November 13, the 2013 Fiat 500 Lounge. Yeah, so what have we done to it? Good point. 2 rear tyres, passenger side wing. Do we need a headlight? May have needed a headlight. Don't think it didn't need any painting whatsoever. And we've done, did it do oil and oil filter? God, I'll have to look at my list. But either way, it's either had oil and filter done or it's had a service done. So yeah, it runs. Oh yeah, tracking. Had the tracking done. This is actually my mistake. This is the one with the lower arm done and the suspension, the shocker. So we've sorted all of that out as well, because yeah, it'd taken a bit of a whack to there. Cat S, apparently. I don't understand where the structure is, so where the structural problem was, but yeah, it's come up quite nicely, drives nicely. A few advisories, unfortunately. One of the wheels is slightly distorted, but I have sorted that all out and I've replaced that since the MOT. It's saying the brakes discs are pitted. I'm satisfied that really shouldn't have been an advisory, but hey ho. And yeah, oh yeah, and we swapped out the interior as well, and the door cards also. So yeah, Other than that, yeah, it's not too bad. So 87,000 on the clock. So yeah, let me know what you think and what you think it's worth in regards to retail. I haven't, I'll be honest, it's been raining, so I've not been able to put on the tyre, what do you want to call it, the tyre dressing, and the water under here keeps beading and keeps getting the old lovely mark down there. But yeah, otherwise quite happy with this one. Don't anticipate there being any issues when it goes, but yeah, let me know what you think. But that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. We've finally hit 1,000. We're just over now, so yeah, we're slowly getting there, but I appreciate everyone that's subscribed and comments. Sorry I don't get around to replying to all of them straight away, but I do see them, and yeah, I'll catch up with you all again soon. Don't forget, hit the like button for what you see, because it all helps with the channel. Got some more 500s to sell, but this is the first of 4 that will be coming up for sale very, very soon, because I've been stacking these now for a good few months. But yeah, see you all later.